not sell the destiny of the next generation for the sake of prolonging your comfort, my friends. It's not worth it. Can you imagine Hezekiah's children hearing this? You're gonna sell our destiny to Babylon so you can continue in your comfortable lifestyle? And what breaks that despair is the very next verse, Isaiah 40 verse 1. Comfort, comfort my people, Israel. Who's bringing this comfort? A voice in the wilderness. Prepare the way of the Lord. Why should I cry out? All flesh is grass. All human heroes will fail, and their glory like fading flower. But remember, the word of God shall stand. His covenant shall not fail. Mountains may depart, hills be removed, but my steadfast love shall continue. So go tell the next generation, I will not forsake them. I will not abandon them. There's coming a voice, a whole generation of John the Baptist who will refuse to sell the destiny of the next generation to Babylon. And the invitation, my friends, for you today, this morning is, what will you choose? What will you choose? You have a choice. To choose prolonging your comfort or to be a voice.